You can use canned tuna to make a variety of quick and easy meals. For example, try mixing 1 can of tuna with 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of mayo, and spread it on a tortilla. Spread the mixture and 1/4 cup, 28 grams of shredded cheese on a tortilla. Fold the tortilla in half and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on each side in a lightly greased skillet. Or whip up a batch of mac and cheese and mix a can of tuna into it. For a quick healthy snack, mix up 1 can of tuna, 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of mayo, and a spritz of lemon juice. Then top some cucumber slices with the tuna mixture. Sprinkle on chopped green onions and paprika to taste.